Here's a pair of the Soundcore Life Q20 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So first thing we want to do is turn these on, okay? So if we look at one side here, we have the power button here, okay? Once we put this in a pairing mode, the light here should be blinking blue, 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 okay? So the headphones are currently off. Let me turn these on. Hold it for like a few seconds, all right? Now it's turning on. Now once it turns on, it should be in pairing mode where it'll blink blue, blue, blue. Okay, I have a solid blue right here and mine turns off. Okay, that's because I'm connected, I'm paired to a different phone. All right, so in my case, it's not in pairing mode. So for me, let me put this in pairing mode. Let me turn these off first. I'm gonna press and hold the power button and wait till I see the red light here. Okay, red light, now it's turning off. Now it's off. Now, this time I'm going to press and hold it until I get a blue blinking light. Okay, so ready, set, press and hold. Holding, wait, where's that blue blinking light? Holding still, up, blue, blue, blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go to my iPhone here. You simply want to go to your settings, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now you want to go all the way to the bottom where it says other devices and see that little spinny thing. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it did find it, Soundcore Life Q20 right here. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna go ahead and tap right there. Give it a moment. Oh, I think it's already connected. Let me go to S for sound. Soundcore Life. Now we are connected. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting or whatnot, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area. And you can see the volume rockers working as well. Anyway, there you guys go.